Welcome to ASP NET SQL Academy. In this lesson, we will close the loop on the upload workflow by letting users download the files they previously uploaded. We will learn how to list files, generate secure download links, stream the file to the browser, and add essential security checks and logging. Our process has 4 steps. First, we discover which files exist either by scanning the uploads folder or reading a database table. Second, we bind that list to a UI control so users can see file names, sizes, and types. Third, when a user clicks a download link, the server streams the file with proper headers. Finally, we log the action and gracefully handle any errors. If you don't store metadata in a database, you can enumerate files directly from the uploads folder using directoryinfo.getFiles. Each file info object gives you the name, length, extension, and timestamps. When you have saved file metadata, as we did in the previous video, simply query the uploaded files table. Filtering by the logged in user ensures people see only their own documents. Assign the file list as the data source and call data bind. In the markup, add a link button inside a template field so each row shows a clickable download link. Command name equal download tells the grid view which command we are handling, and command argument passes the full server file path to the code behind. Inside row command, we simply read the argument and call a helper method named send file to client to do the heavy lifting. Content type lets the browser know what it is receiving, while content disposition attachment forces the save dialog. Transmit file streams efficiently without loading the entire file into memory. Always call response.end so ASP.NET stops further processing. Attackers might try to request webconfig. Verify that the requested path truly lives under your uploads directory before you stream it. Just as we did during uploads, show a friendly size so users know what they are downloading, especially important on mobile data connections. For very large files, you can manually stream chunks and throttle bandwidth. This protects your server from being saturated by a single user. Advanced tip: Implement partial downloads so interrupted transfers can continue. Users love resume support for big media files. Sometimes users want everything at once. With the system.io compression, you can package selected files into a single zip and stream it without saving an intermediate file. Before streaming, make sure the logged in user is authorized to access that specific file. The file metadata to a user ID and compare it in your code. Add an audit trail who downloaded what and when. This helps with complaints and spotting abuse. Network hiccups or missing files happen. Wrap the download logic in try catch, log the exception, and display a user friendly alert instead of a yellow screen of death. Block anonymous HTTP requests that bypass your download. Handler by adding a location element for the uploads folder. A little polish goes a long way. Use font awesome or bootstrap icons to visually identify PDFs, images, and documents. Enable sorting and searching so power users can find files quickly. We enumerated files, created download links, streamed them with proper MIME types and content disposition, defended against path traversal, enforced per user access, and logged each download. These best practices keep your application safe and user friendly. In the next tutorial, we will tackle file deletion and retention, cleaning up stale content without disrupting active users. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit like, share it with your fellow developers and subscribe to ASP NET and SQL Academy for more real world tutorials. See you in the next video.